What you looking at? Are you stalking it? There's a big, oh, the big, there's a, look at that pink belly. What's that pink belly? Where'd you tire from? Ready? Ready? Oh, here we go. Oh, up on point. Are you tired? So you said, huh? What'd you think, huh? We're gonna drop it. You're gonna roll it. Nope. You're gonna hold on to it. Classic Blossom. That is classic. One little toenail on it. Beep. 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 What are you trying to bark? Beep. Looks like she's hiccuping. Beep. Oh! Good. Okay.